All right, so we are in for a real treat today because we finally get to see the cover for Happy-Faced Dictatorship. I was searching on the computer, and after about 3 hours, I finally found the PSD file, the Photoshop file. I saved it here, and we can now see it for the first time for public view in 15 years. We can see it. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's kind of shift this around, right? So there was the Hitler smiley face in the middle right here, right? So this was in January 8, 2005. This was the first winter break from college, and this is what I produced. See, it's a cover. It's half finished. It's got the main logo on it. That's a great start. Everything else is just like whatever. But the idea was, that's it. I got a logo, right? So after 15 years, we are now able to show the half-finished cover, and maybe one day, you know, I can talk about some of the more content that's in here. But hey, small steps, very small steps. And again, the book is not even remotely close to finish. It's just, you know, it's slow. Everything is slow. But hey, you know, I'm doing one of these for 30 days. Well, hopefully we can extend it. And I thought, shit, I got to put something up today. And let me just find this. And hey, this is it. So this is all it is I came back from winter break. I realized, oh, right, my parents suck. Everything kind of sucks. But hey, I have to be here. And I kind of want to talk about just the sort of shitty dynamic, the shitty relationship I had with them. And, you know, kind of everything else too. But I thought, hey, I'm going to talk about it one day, and it's going to be a book. This is how old it was, how long ago it was. This was before YouTube even started. Started what, 2005, 6. I'm going to write a book because, you know, I have no imagination that even though you can kind of upload short little clips, and you can upload, files and MP3s and everything. No, it's going to be a book. But anyways, it's not going to be a book. It's going to be, you know, lots of short little clips like this, and we can upload it, and that's it. But that's it. So, in fact, let me take myself away, and that's it. You have the cover, half finished, a good logo. It's a very catchy logo, and yeah, that's it.